Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I do appreciate you being here. This is day 3 of this bed transformation. This portion right here to get up to the top, I'm going to use a Remington corded pole saw, and it's served me pretty well. I've had it for quite a bit of time. As you can see, I'm just going to take off this top portion right here. I don't really mind the height too much. I would like it covering a little bit of the over the top of the fence. And then as I continue to want to cut just a little bit more, I saw there was a bird nest in there, so that's going to be it for that. Quick story on this pole saw, this Remington corded pole saw. I saw a picture of my dad the other day. The picture was from 2006. He was in his garage, and standing up next to him against the wall was a Remington pole saw. So Dad, if this is yours, I'm sorry, and also thank you so much. In this section, you guys aren't going to see too much of a transformation, I don't think. I've got several different vines growing in this section of the fence, and I love the trumpet vine. Want to make sure that it's pretty much the only one growing on the fence. Right here, guys, I'm just gonna clean up this bottom portion, thin it out quite a bit. I don't mind the top too much, but when this bottom part is thick like this, it just makes it look like a mess. That's going to be it for today, guys. I do appreciate you tuning in, watching through the video. Thank you once again. God bless. Have a good day.